Wait, you've been lied to about life insurance. I know that sounds dramatic, but stay with me for a few minutes because what I'm about to share could literally change how you protect your family. Most people think life insurance is just something you buy just in case, and it only helps your loved ones after you're gone. But there's way more to it than that. I'm going to break down two of the biggest myths I hear all the time and show you what's actually possible. Because the truth is, the right plan doesn't just protect your family someday, it can help you while you're still here. Let's start with myth number 1. You have to wait years before you can use your policy. I hear this one constantly, and it's simply not true. Here's the truth. There are plans that come with living benefits, which means you can actually use parts of your policy while you're alive. These benefits can kick in quickly, depending on the type of coverage you have. Let me give you a real example. One of my clients signed up for her policy, and less than 1 month later, she received a life-altering diagnosis. And you know what? Her policy came through. It gave her the financial support she needed right when it mattered most, during treatment, not after the fact. It's not about waiting years, it's about choosing the right kind of coverage. Now, myth number 2, if I use my benefits, I'll owe a ton of taxes. Nope, not true either. Let's break it down simply. In most cases, life insurance payouts, especially living benefits, are tax-free. That means if you need to access your benefits because of a critical illness, accident, or another emergency, you're not going to get hit with a huge tax bill. Think about that. That money goes to your family, not to the IRS. This is one of the biggest reasons people get the right type of life insurance, because it gives them flexibility, peace of mind, and protection without strings attached. So if taxes were the thing holding you back, you can let that fear go. You might be thinking, okay, but why does this really matter? Because too many families are still unprotected, or they think they're protected, but only for worst-case scenarios. What if your policy could cover you during a medical emergency, protect your children while you're still raising them, give you financial breathing room in a time of crisis? What would that kind of peace of mind be worth to you? I know it's not always easy to talk about life insurance. It feels heavy. But what's heavier is not knowing, or worse, finding out too late that what you thought you had wasn't enough. So here's what I want you to do next. If you're curious, if you've got questions, or if you just want to know your options without pressure, comment the word HOPE down below or send me a message privately. I'll show you what's possible, answer your questions, and help you find something that actually fits your family's needs. No pressure, just help. Because the goal isn't just to have life insurance, it's to have the right kind of life insurance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone you care about. See you next time.